Looking for a hairdryer that fits seamlessly into your busy lifestyle and travels just as well as you do? The Conair 1875-watt Ionic conditioning cord keeper hairdryer is designed to deliver powerful drying performance without the bulk. With a folding handle and retractable cord, it's incredibly compact, perfect for slipping into your suitcase or carry-on without the hassle of tangled cords or wasted space. Plus, its dual voltage capability means you can confidently pack it for any international trip. What sets this dryer apart is its Ionic conditioning and Tourmaline ceramic technology. These features work together to reduce frizz and boost shine, leaving your hair smooth and polished every time. The infrared heat gently dries your hair faster while minimizing damage, so you get salon-quality results without the risk of over-drying. Whether your hair is thick, thin, curly, or straight, the two heat and speed settings let you customize airflow to your needs. And when you want to lock in your style, the Cool Shot button holds curls, waves, or sleek looks in place for hours. I've personally relied on this dryer during several trips, and it's been a game changer. The compact design means I never have to compromise on packing space, and the retractable cord keeps everything neat and tangle-free. It's surprisingly lightweight but still powerful enough to dry my hair quickly. The dual voltage feature gave me peace of mind when I traveled abroad, so I didn't have to hunt for adapters or worry about compatibility. It's exactly what I was looking for in a travel hairdryer, and it might be what you need too. If you want a reliable, efficient hairdryer that travels well and treats your hair gently, the Conair 1875-watt Ionic conditioning cord keeper hairdryer is worth a look. It combines convenience with advanced technology, making it a smart choice for anyone who values both style and practicality. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your hair routine, whether at home or on the road.